Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Camry versus Toyota Yaris crash tests. We will explore how these two popular Toyota models perform in various safety assessments. Understanding their crash test results can help you make an informed decision about which vehicle best suits your safety priorities. We will look at key aspects of their performance and structural integrity. When it comes to frontal and side impact tests, both the Camry and Yaris demonstrate strong safety performance. The Camry, being a larger vehicle, often benefits from its greater mass and structural rigidity, which can provide enhanced occupant protection. The Yaris, while smaller, is engineered with advanced safety features to protect occupants effectively in its segment. Both models aim for excellent results in these critical crash scenarios. Beyond frontal and side impacts, roof strength and rear impact protection are also key safety considerations. The Camry typically excels in roof crush tests, indicating strong structural integrity in the event of a rollover. The Yaris also provides commendable protection in these areas, with designs focused on occupant safety. Both vehicles incorporate advanced seat and head restraint systems to help reduce the risk of whiplash injuries during rear-end collisions. Ultimately, both the Toyota Camry and Toyota Yaris are designed with occupant safety as a priority, achieving good ratings in crash tests. The Camry, as a midsize sedan, generally provides a greater buffer of protection due to its larger footprint and weight. The Yaris offers excellent safety for a subcompact, making it a strong contender in its category. Your choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.